Got this Amazon Firestick to look at. The person who has it says it doesn't work. I don't have anything else but the remote. The interesting thing about it is that person thought this works with infrared and he wasn't seeing any light coming out. It does not from the internet, it works with RF. Seems fairly easy to just pry open, so let's pop it open, see what's inside, see if it can be repaired. Couldn't be more wrong about opening this. I thought it was going to be easy. I've pried, I've nicked it up a little bit as you can see. Couple searches on the net, it turns out this thing is ultrasonically welded. I'm going to try to cut a little notch here so I can get something to pry in. Mad, these people deliberately designed this not to be opened, not to be serviced, and they made a shitty contact inside, so it was eventually going to fail. I've been unable to open this any which way. I've tried cutting here, prying, it still doesn't work. I've damaged up the edges, it still doesn't work. So what I've done is actually just cut in the back here. This is butchery. There's no other way to describe this. Absolute butchery. I've not done anything this terrible in many years. But it's not going to open easily. The welding on this one is pretty strong. So I've opened it up. I've got access to the contacts. I've pried up these contacts so I can get in there. And I'm just going to solder a wire across down and down. But this is absolute butchery. Nothing else can be used to describe this. This is the finished product. Terrible. Absolutely terrible actually. But it in theory should work. So I'll give it back to the person and see if it does work. I'll get some feedback.